Did you know that the average savings account earns less than 1% interest annually? While smart investments can grow your wealth by 7% or more every year? So, here's the real question. Do you want your money sitting still or working hard for your future? Have you ever wondered how to make your money work for you through investing? Making your money grow is a dream for many of us, but it often seems like a complex and daunting task. The truth is, investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth over time. But it requires some knowledge and a bit of courage to get started. Think about it. Wouldn't you love to have a nest egg that could help you achieve your long-term goals, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or simply enjoying a more comfortable retirement? Investing is not just for the wealthy or financially savvy. It's for anyone who wants to grow their money. By putting your money into assets that have the potential for growth, income, or both, you can create a snowball effect that builds your wealth over time. Of course, there are risks involved, but with a basic understanding and a thoughtful strategy, you can confidently step into the world of investing. So why should you care about making your money grow through investing? Well, the sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound. Even small regular investments can add up significantly. Plus, investing helps protect your money from inflation so it doesn't lose value over time. Let's face it, investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But understanding its importance can be a game changer. It's about taking control of your financial future and making intentional decisions that align with your goals and values. Many people face common hurdles when it comes to investing: fear of losing money, lack of knowledge, and feeling overwhelmed by choices. These doubts can hold us back from taking action, but they don't have to. By recognizing these challenges and educating ourselves, we can begin to invest with clarity and confidence. To manage the fear of loss, it's important to understand the different types of investments and their risks. Investing always involves some level of risk, but knowing your risk tolerance and setting clear financial goals can help you make better decisions. Feeling overwhelmed? Simplify the process by focusing on a few key areas like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Learn the basics and consider seeking help from financial experts or trusted online resources. The key is to start small and be consistent. There are many investment options to explore. Stocks offer high growth potential but can be volatile. Bonds are more stable but may yield lower returns. Real estate can generate rental income and increase in value, but it requires significant capital and management. New investors might also consider index funds or ETFs, which offer easy diversification and professional management. These are great for beginners who want to spread risk and keep things simple. Let's look at a real-life example. A young couple began investing in their 20s, starting small with a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Over time, they kept contributing regularly, took advantage of compounding, and avoided making emotional decisions. That consistent effort helped them buy a home, start a family, and move toward financial freedom. Their secret? Clear goals, diversification, and patience. In conclusion, making your money grow through investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. It's not about being perfect. It's about starting, learning, and staying committed. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but with the right mindset and strategy, anyone can invest successfully. So, what's stopping you? Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. Take that first step and let your money start working for you. If you've got a question or your own investing story, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you want more tips on budgeting or personal finance, check out our next video.